Sai Raman and all. The lesson, a hero. He, Swami, hated the newspaper. Why? Because it printed the story of the boy, story of a tiger's story. So what happened when night advanced? What happened? He remembered the stories of ghosts and devils that he had heard in his life. Correct? What are those stories? What are those ghost stories? Then he remembered his chum Mani, who had seen the devil on the banyan tree at the street end. Muni Swami's father was slapped by the devil. Correct? These are the things. These stories put him in trouble. Correct? Then, when he slept, he heard some noises. What were they? The ticking of the clock, a rustle of trees, snoring sound, some vague night insects humming. Remember those answers. So what did he do? Come to the 12th paragraph. What should he do? How to save himself from the ghost? Swami hurriedly got up and spread his bed under the bench and crouched there. It seemed to be a much safer place, more compact and reassuring place. He shut his eyes tight and encased himself in his blanket once again, and unknown to himself fell asleep. And in sleep was racked with nightmares. A tiger was chasing him. His feet stuck to the ground. He desperately tried to escape, but his feet would not move. The tiger was at his back, and he could hear its claws scratch the ground, scratch, scratch, and then a loud thud. Swami tried to open his eyes, but his eyelids would not open, and the nightmare continued. It threatened to continue forever. Swami groaned in despair. So what did he do? To save himself from the ghost, Swami hurriedly, how? It answers the question how. In a hurried manner. Hurriedly, adverb. Urgently, avasaradinda. Swami hurriedly got up. Got. Get present. Got past participle. Hurriedly got up and spread his bed under the bench. Spread, present tense. Spread, past tense. Spread, past participle. Spread. He spread his bed under the bench. He decided to sleep under the bench and crouched there. What is crouch? Meaning is given there. Say, lower the body close to the ground. Mudududu anta. Crouched there under the bench. So where is he sleeping? He is sleeping under the bench. It seemed. Seem means appear. Seem present. Seemed past. Seemed past participle. It seemed. That place seemed to be a much safer place. Safe, unsafe. Unsafe. safe, safer, safest. Degrees of comparison. It is safer than on the bench. Safer place, more compact place, more firm place, small place. Compact means small, compact means firm, more compact and reassuring. Reassuring, he could get assurance. ಧೈರ್ಯ ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅಂತ. ರಿಯಶ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಮೋರ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಯಶ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್? ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಬೆಂಚ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲಗ್ತಾನೆ ಮಾ. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಿ ಡೂ? ಹಿ ಶಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಐಸ್ ಟೈಟ್. ಶಟ್ ಶಟ್ ಶಟ್. ಶಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್. He shut, past tense. If it is present tense, shuts. He shut his eyes. Active eyes. How to change it to passive? This is the verb. Correct? Past tense. You should remember the be form of the verb to change into passive voice. In passive, we need the be form of the verb. What are they? Am, is, are, present tense. Was, were, past tense. Then, being, present continuous. Been, present perfect. Be, to future, or all the models. So, all the models take be. Perfect takes been. Continuous takes being. Past, these words. So here, this is the object. So his eyes plural. Why? Because two eyes. So his eyes, past tense. Plural past means plural past. Past means this one. Plural means where. So his eyes were shut, shut, shut. Third form of the verb is shut. Shut by him. Passive. So he shut his eyes. How? Tight. Tightly, ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಮುಚ್ಚುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ? ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್, ಕಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ encased himself. Encase means, case means cover. Case means cover, box. Encase means verb. Cover what? Something. How? Completely. Cover something completely. That is encase. ಮುಚ್ಚಿಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. Himself, ಅವನೇ. In his blanket once again. ಪುನಃ he covered the whole body with the help of what? The blanket. ಫುಲ್ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. Once again. And unknown, known, unknown, opposite words. Unknown, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ. Unexpectedly. To himself, fell asleep. He got a good sleep. And in sleep, was racked. Racked meaning is given. Make someone suffer great mental pain. Rack means torture. Tortured. He was tortured. Mental pain, experienced mental pain. Great mental pain. Remember that word for one word substitute. With nightmares. Nightmares disturbed him. What is nightmare? Meaning is given there. A frightening dream. Dream disturbed him. There was a terrible, horrible, frightening dream. So what is a nightmare? It is a frightening dream. One word substitute. Khanas. What was the dream? A tiger was chasing him. Chase means Benattu. A tiger was chasing him. active voice. How to change into passive? It is past continuous. So him becomes a he. He takes the word was. He was. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದೆ past tense. He was. Then next this one, divide it. He was. ing is there, so it takes being. He was being. Past participle of chase is chased. He was being chased by a tiger. Passive voice. He was being chased by a tiger. ಬೆನ್ನಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕನಸು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. His feet stuck to the ground. Stick, stuck, stuck. Stick, stuck, stuck. Present tense, past participle. His feet, foot singular. Foot singular, ಒಂದು. Feet, plural. His feet stuck to the ground. Jammed to the ground. Stuck means jam. Stuck means unable to move. Stuck means stop moving. ಎಳಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. Stuck to the ground. What did he do? He desperately tried to escape. What is desperate attempt? Is it given there? No. Means without hope. ಹತಾಶನಾಗಿ ಅಂತ. Desperately, ಹತಾಶನಾಗಿ, without any hope, hopelessly. He desperately tried to escape from the tiger. ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು. But it is the conjunction. So first sentence is opposite to the second sentence. It is called conjunction of contrast. So but ಆದರೆ his feet would not move. He has to escape, but his feet were not ready to help him to move. ಹೂತು ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಪಾದ ಹೂತು ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಎಳಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಗೆ ಓಡಲಿ? ದ ಟೈಗರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಎಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಹೀಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ, ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಅದರ ತಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಹೀಗೆ. ದ ಟೈಗರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೀ ಕುಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ನಡುಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೀ ಕುಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್? homophones. Hear, ear, ear. He could hear what? Its claws. Claw. C-L-A-W. Pointed nail of an animal. Pointed nail of an animal. ಉಗುರು. ಹಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಚ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ಪರಚುತ್ತದೆ, ನೆಲಕ್ಕೆ ತಾಗುವುದು ಕೇಳ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಹರ್ಡ್ ದ ಸೌಂಡ್. ಹೇಗೆ? ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಚ್, ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಚ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಎ ಲೌಡ್ ಥಡ್. ಥಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೌಂಡ್. ಹಿ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಎ ಲೌಡ್ ಸೌಂಡ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಿ ಡು? ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಟ್ರೈಡ್ ಟು ಓಪನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಐಸ್. ಹಿ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್ ಟು ಓಪನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಐಸ್. ಕಣ್ಣು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ರೆಪ್ಪೆ ಬಿಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಆದರೆ opposite sentence, his eyelids would not open. Eyelids were not ready to open. He tried to open his eyes, but he could not open his eyes. He was not able to open his eyes. His eyelids were not ready to open. And the nightmare continued. Continue opposite, discontinue. Continuation noun, continue verb, continuous adjective, continuously adverb. So nightmare continued. ಹೀಗೆ ಆ ಕನಸು ಮುಂದುವರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಥ್ರೆಟನ್ಡ್. ಥ್ರೆಟನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬೆದರಿಸು. ನೈಟ್ಮೇರ್ ಥ್ರೆಟನ್ಡ್ ಟು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಫಾರ್ ಎವರ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎವರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ, ನೆವರ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್, ನೆವರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. What did Swami do? Helpless Swami groaned in despair. Despair means hopelessness. Despair means hopelessness. Despair means misery. Despair means sadness without hope. So Swami groaned. Why? How? In despair. Groan means what? Make a deep sound conveying pain, especially when force is applied. Make a deep sound in the throat. Correct? That is groan. Naraltane. Groan means naralu. Correct? Then come to the 13th paragraph. The 13th paragraph. With a desperate effort, he opened his eyes. He put his hand out to feel his granny's presence at his side, as was his habit. But he only touched the wooden leg of the bench, and his lonely state came back to him. He sweated with fright. And now, what was this rustling? He moved to the edge of the bench and stared into the darkness. Something was moving down. He lay gazing at it in horror. His end had come. He realized that the devil would presently pull him out and tear him. And so, why should he wait? As it came nearer, he crawled out from under the bench, hugged it with all his might, and used his teeth on it like a mortal weapon. So, what did he do? With the desperately means do something with no hope. Remember that meaning. With the desperate effort means, desperate means without hope. Desperate, without hope. The feeling of do or die. Determined. With the desperate effort, desperate is adjective. What kind of effort? Desperate effort. Prayatna. He opened his eyes anyhow. By hook or crook, ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿರಬಹುದು. He opened his eyes. ಕಣ್ಣು ತೆರಿತಾನೆ. Open opposite, close. He put his hand out. ಕಣ್ಣು ಬಿಟ್ಟ. Full ಕತ್ತಲೆ. He put his hand out. Put. He put his hand out. ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಕೈಯನ್ನು ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಏನು ಹುಡುಕಿದಾಗೆ. ವೈ? ಟು ಫೀಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರಾನೀಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್. ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್, ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ನೌನ್. ಗ್ರಾನೀಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್, ನನ್ನ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಇದ್ದಾಳ ಅಂತ ಕೈ ಹೀಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾನೆ. At his side, as was his habit. It was his habit. Whenever he gets up, whenever he wakes up, he used to spread his hand just to feel the presence of his granny. ಅಜ್ಜಿಯ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲಗೋದು. ಎಚ್ಚರ ಆದಾಗ ಕೈ ಹೀಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಕೈ ಟಚ್ ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. This night he did the same. It was his habit. But what is the result? He only touched the wooden leg of the bench. He couldn't reach, he couldn't touch, he couldn't get what? His granny's hand. Instead, he touched the wooden leg of the bench. Why? Because he was sleeping under the bench in his father's office room. He was not beside his granny. Then he realized, and his lonely state means condition, sthiti. His lonely, alone state came back to him. He realized now where he is. He sweated with fright. Fright means ಹೆದರಿಕೆ, ಭಯ. Sweat. Sweet is different from sweat. SWEAT, sweat. Sweated. ಬೆವರು. He sweated with fright. And now, ಕೇಳುವಾಗ, what was this rustling? What is rustle? It's a sound. produced. When two leaves rub together, it is rustle. Correct? When we walk, our two legs, the cloth rub together, it produces a sound that is called rustle. Correct? So he heard the rustling. Then what is this rustling? ಏನದು ಏನೋ ಶಬ್ದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. Then what did he do? He moved to the edge of the bench. Edge means badi. He moved to the edge of the bench and stared. Stare means look fixedly. Why? Because it is dark. He couldn't see clearly. So he looked at something with a fixed look. Stared into. Fixedly how? With the wide open eyes. ಕಣ್ಣು ಹೀಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ, ದಿಟ್ಟಿಸಿ ನೋಡುವಂತ. ಇಂಟು ದ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ನೆಸ್, ಕತ್ತಲೆಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಹೀಗೆ. ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್. ಹಿ ಸಾ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್. ಏನೋ ನೋಡಿದ. ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್. ವಾಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಹಿ laying. Correct? Laying. What is lay? He kept. Lay means here past tense, he kept. Sorry. Lay past tense, kept. Lie, keep. Lay, kept. He lay gazing at it horror. Looking fixedly at that moving object in horror. ಭಯದಿಂದ ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಮಲಗಿದ. ಲೇ. Slept. Lie, lay, laying. Correct? He slept. He slept, gazing at it in horror. Then he thought his end had come. What had come? His end had come. ಮುಗೀತು ನಂದು ಕತೆ. ದೆವ್ವ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ತಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. He realized, understood what? That the devil would presently means now. Now. At once. His end had come. He realized that the devil would presently pull him out of the bench and tear him. Tear, tore, torn. Tear present. Tore past. Torn past participle. ಟೇರ್, ಟೋರ್, ಟೋರ್ನ್. ಟೇರ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಹರಿದಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಕೊಂದಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಎಳೆದು ಹೊರಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಪುಲ್, ಪುಷ್, ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊ ನೌ ಬ್ರೇವರಿ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಕರೇಜಿಯಸ್. ವೈ ಶುಡ್ ಹಿ ವೇಟ್? ವೈ ಶುಡ್ ಐ ವೇಟ್? ವೈ ಹಿ ಶುಡ್ ವೇಟ್? ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. ವೈ ಶುಡ್ ಹಿ ವೇಟ್? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಕಾಯಬೇಕು? ವೈ ಶುಡ್ ಐ ವೇಟ್? ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಡೂ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. It's a time to do or die. So I should do. As it came nearer, nearest degrees. As when the moving object came nearer, what did he do? He crawled out. What is crawl? Tevolu. Is it given there? No. Then crawl means creep. Creep. To move slowly on hands and knee. KNEE. ಮೊಣಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ತೆವಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ, ತೆವಳಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. As it came nearer, he crawled out from under the bench. He came out from the bench, hugged, embraced, held. ಅಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? Hugged it with all his might. Might means strength. Might means power. Might, and used his teeth. Tooth singular, teeth plural, teeth on it. Like a mortal weapon. What is mortal? Mortal means deadly. ಡೆಡ್ಲಿ ವೆಪನ್, ಮಾರಕ ಆಯುಧದ ಹಾಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಚ್ಚುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಕಚ್ಚುತ್ತಾನೆ? ದ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್? ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಡೆವಿಲ್. ವಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಎ ಡೆವಿಲ್? We shall see in the next period. Okay? Then, see the questions. Which was the safer, more compact and reassuring place? Number 2. Why did Swami encase himself? Next, it is a 3-mark question. Narrate Swami's dreadful experience when he was lying under the bench. Important question, that one. Why did Swami put his hand out? How did Swami bite the moving object? So these are the questions. Now I will give you some questions related to question tag. Okay? Question tag. Question tag. Now what is a question tag? It is not a question. Question tag has only 2 words. One is the pronoun, another one is the helping verb. If the statement is affirmative, tag should be negative. If the statement is negative, question tag should be positive. Correct? So then why do we use a question tag? Not to get an answer, not to find an answer, but to confirm the statement, just to confirm the statement. ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ದೃಢೀಕರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಳಸ್ತೇವೆ, ಆನ್ಸರಿಗಲ್ಲ. Correct? Then now I'll give the example. Swami is a boy. I'll take present tense. Swami is a boy. The statement is affirmative. There is no not. Correct? Swami is. Then which is the verb? Is the verb. So what should we write? Commas should be there. Question mark should be there. Then we should write is. Is. Then not is not there, then not. We should not write like this, not. If you write like this, then it becomes 3 words. 3 words are not allowed. So make it contracted form, isn't, 1 word. Then for Swami, what is the pronoun? Swami is a boy, so he. Isn't he is the question tag. Now second one. He is sleeping under the bench, comma, question mark should be there. Now what should I write? Is the helping verb. Is the helping verb. Here is the main verb. So here sleeping is the main verb. This is the verb which tells the tense of this sentence. So it is called finite verb. Correct? Finite verb. This one non-finite. It doesn't tell the tense. So is, then not is not there, isn't pronoun he. Correct? Now one more example. 3. They are playing. Are. Not is not there. So are. Aren't. Aren't pronoun. Aren't they. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸ್ ಉಂಟಾ, ಆರ್ ಉಂಟಾ, ವಾಸ್ ಉಂಟಾ, ವೇರ್ ಉಂಟಾ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ದ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ were not happy. The boys were not happy. So illi where is the verb? So where. Not is there, so you should not use not there. Where the boys means the pronoun used here is they. Where they. It's a question tag. Correct? So follow this example and do other works. Okay, we shall continue in the next session. Sayonara.